ain't gotta turn the lights off, leave them all on. Since you call me over, I'ma give you what you want. Faded cause I'm blazing something strong. We can turn up on that Henny, keep on sipping till it's gone. Pour it out, girl, tonight it's all about you and I. Want it now, got you tripping cause you love this shit. I'ma hit it till you feel like you in love and shit. 1 a.m., we gon' get it on. We can keep it poppin'.
Hey my busy bees, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hey girl, how you doing? So y'all, today, what's today? Today is Saturday, I think November 8th, if I'm not mistaken. I just got up maybe like an hour ago. I took a shower and stuff. I was watching TV, scrolling for a minute. I said, let me get up and clean my car. If y'all been watching my video, y'all know I've been saying for the longest I need to clean my car out. Hubby be taking it to the, what is it called? Like the drive-through car wash, and he tell me to clean the inside out because he know I like it a certain way. And I just never get around to it. So it's like he keep washing it, and that inside is getting worse. So now I'm for sure about to do it because we went to Knott's Scary Farm last week for Halloween, and we parked like in grass and stuff. So when I say my car look crazy with all that grass on top of the dust, the fingerprints all over my screen and stuff, it's a whole lot of. And two, if y'all watching this video, the Knott's Farm video is already out because for me, the Knott's Farm video come out today, but for y'all, it was last weekend. You got it? Get it? So, if you have not saw that video, after you done with this one, go watch that one. I had a link down below in the description. So, what else? So, I'm about to wash my car, the outside. Then I'm going to take it through the wash, through the drive-through. He keep telling me to just go to the car wash. I said, sir, that's $40. Even though I know he will pay for it, I need content. I don't want to sit waiting on my car. I want to wash it myself. I need to go to Sam's Club to get some groceries, just like some meats and some cereal, because, you know, they be having deals for the big bulks and stuff, and that's what I need for this family up in here. After Sam's Club, what?
A&E Target.
Girl, Kamari. What else I need to do? You done threw me off. Sam's Club, wash my car. I need to put my dirty dishes in the dishwasher, because last night I fell asleep without cleaning my kitchen. Yeah. Don't judge me. I'm just a girl. So that's pretty much it for today, I believe. Oh no, I need to also sweep and mop my living room. But I'm not using my big boy. If y'all know who my big boy is, I'm not pulling my big boy out. I'm pulling out Lil Mama. So Lil Mama is going to work today. Just my living room, dining room, and the kids' hallway is what I'm doing. What order I'm going in, I don't know. But as of right now, we about to head outside to that core and get it in because it's a whole lot. So if y'all interested in this video, if y'all want to hang with good old Busy Ree, please stay tuned and I will see y'all outside. Bye. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? I had to pop in while I'm editing real quick and let y'all know. In this video, y'all hear me say like it's a lot of stuff that I'm doing, but I'm actually splitting the video up into two videos. So when you hear me talk about making breakfast and stuff, that's going to be in the next video, but you will hear me talk about it in this one. So I just wanted to pop in and let y'all know this video is only going to be 30 minutes instead of 1 hour because I feel like that's too long. I'm not known like that to know if people will actually watch it, so I'm going to break it up. So I just wanted to hop in and let y'all know what's going on and why y'all hearing me say I'm doing certain things when that'll be in my next video. So stay tuned because I know you want to see the full video. So, yeah. Bye. I got all my stuff. I'm going to show y'all what I'm using for Night Rider. This Night Rider is definitely looking black. All this dust. I mean, if y'all saw, because I have washed my car a couple times on this channel, so y'all probably already know what I use. If you don't, here it is. Mr. Clean Unstoppable Scent, the business. I'm going to use some of this. Get it, you know, just some scents. I love mixing scents. I could be a little a chemist. Look at me trying to be all fancy and don't even know the damn word. And I'm gonna spray the rugs and stuff with this. I also have a car freshener. I need to go look at my junk drawer in the kitchen because I bought that thing like 2 months ago. That's how long I've been preparing to do this video. I mean, to clean my car, and it ain't happened yet. So I need to go look for that car freshener. Let me show y'all. Is y'all ready? If you standing up, you please sit down. Please sit down, because you gonna pass out. Y'all sitting? Okay, here we go. Now, do y'all see that? That's sad. That's really sad. But we about to get it together. So let me do my little setup for y'all so y'all can see me clean this mess. And I'll see y'all in a minute. Man. Okay, y'all, I'm basically done. Hubby and son is doing the tires. Ooh, I'm tired, y'all. Now look, y'all. Me and hubby went on a date last Saturday. I didn't record it, but we only went to the nail shop. I got my feet done and my nails done. Today is literally 7 days. And look, this nail just broke while I was cleaning. This is gel. These are my nails. Gel stuff, just polish is lifting up. This hand is worse. That's missing my thumb. And it's really not even from doing my car. Just from, you know, cleaning, doing dishes. That's why I really don't get my nails done like that. But this is sad. 7 days and this is what they look like. Sad. Got my feet done. So after they finish the tires and my windows, I will show y'all the finished product. So while they doing that, I just sprayed the inside. Y'all saw that. While they finish that, I'm gonna go look for my what is called, my car scent that go in the window. I mean, not the window, on that hang from the mirror. So let's see. Yeah, I might let y'all see my junk drawer. It's a whole lot. Let me see. Yeah, don't talk about it. There's a lot going on in that drawer. There's a lot going on. The infamous drawer. Let's see. Ah! See how easy that was? That's my junk drawer, but I knew where I put it 2 months ago. Let me put it in the car. Hubby said, we ain't going to the car wash. You're not doing no $10 walk-through. Drive-through. So as y'all saw, he wiped it down. And I'm almost done. So y'all, I'm done with my car as you guys saw. Now I'm just about to put my dishes in the dishwasher and then head to Sam's Club. Let's get it, let's go.
Damn, I can't believe ya. Not after everything we've been through. If you would've listened, you wouldn't make the same mistakes. Too bad you're never around. We probably could've worked it out. Can't deal with the problems, cause you're too busy running away. But in a couple of days, you'll come running back. No, sir, not anymore. It ain't going down like that. I'm so sorry, but your girl has had enough. No, it ain't okay. You're not the man I thought you were. When a woman's fed up, ain't nothing you can do. So this is me saying goodbye to you. I tell ya, heartbreak and headboards is really all you're good for, all you're good for. Don't try to explain it now. You need to go ahead and walk it out. You told me you needed it. Well, baby, you can have your space. But I'm telling you, it's gonna hurt when you find out somebody else is doing work. Cause ain't nothing worse than a burn of being replaced. Then in a couple of months, you'll come running back. Oh, no, sir, not anymore. It ain't going down like that. I'm so sorry, but your girl has had enough. No, it ain't okay. You're not the man I thought you were. When a woman's fed up, ain't nothing you can do. So this ain't saying goodbye to you. I tell ya, heartbreak and head boys is really all you're good for, all you're good for. When you're making love, boy, you the best, the best, the best, the best. You suck at the rest, the rest.
Yes! Affiliates!
My heart's been broken more times than I can count. I wish I could love, but I don't wanna be let down. 'Cause nobody wants to be lonely. I know there's a man out there for me. He'll turn my dark nights to beautiful mornings. That's not too much, that's all that I'm wanting. It's just another day alone, just me and my pillow. Nobody to tell me good morning or have a good day. It's just sheets here. It's just another day alone. Don't wanna wake up alone. It's cold in my bed, just me and my pillow. Why my girls the brides and I'm always they bridesmaid? And why I always catch the bouquet but never seem to see the day? 'Cause I ain't trying to be out here lonely. I need a good man to hold me. He can feel the space in my bed, somewhere to lay his head. That's not too much, that's all that I'm wanting. It's just another day alone, just me and my pillow. Nobody to tell me good morning or have a good day. It's just sheets here. It's just another day alone. Don't wanna wake up alone. It's cold in my bed, just me and my pillow. I don't think you'll hear me. I just wanna be loved. So tell me what's so wrong with not wanting to be alone. I need you, I need you, I need you.
I put my dishes in the washer like I told you I was gonna do. I swept and mopped, ended up wiping my table down because it's dirty. Now I'm just gonna do the hallway, just sweeping and mopping over it. Then I need to go to Sam's Club. And after Sam's Club, that might be it for today. I'll pick back up tomorrow when I do my laundry. Get this started so I can get my butt to Sam's Club.
Don't wanna wake up alone. It's cold in my bed, just me and my pillow.
Yeah, I just wiped their wall panels last weekend. Can't tell. So I'm about to finish this other side, and I will see y'all when I'm on my way to Sam's Club. Bye. Hey y'all, we are going to Sam's Club. Well, no, I'm on my way to the gas station. But y'all, When I tell you it smells so good in my car, it smells so good right now. This scent right here is cotton candy. And then like the Mr. Clean that I was using, Lysol, like it just smells so fresh up in here. Yeah, when I say that wash was long overdue. But that grass up in here is what really did it for me. I said, I am not waking up washing. I am going to clean my car. So y'all, I'm on my way to the gas station, and then I'm headed to Sam's Club. I am by myself. Kamari wanted to go, but her hair wasn't done. I didn't feel like combing her hair. So I told her I will take her to Target tomorrow because she have a gift card that her school gave her for winning a like an anti-bullying contest or something like that. She had to draw something that had to do with like bullying, and she won the first prize. So it was a $60 Target gift card. So she wanna go to Target, but I told her I'm already tired, y'all. It's 3 o'clock, and all that I done. I don't feel like going to Target right now. After I go grocery shopping, I'm done for the day. The dinner I make is something I'm getting from Sam's Club. Ooh, y'all rocking. Hey, rock steady Eddie. So yeah, I might just cook something that I get from there. Like they got this pasta. If y'all watch my channel a lot, y'all know when I go to Sam's Club, I come back and make the little blackened chicken pasta with garlic bread. So that's more than likely that's what I'm gonna have for dinner tonight. So I don't have to do nothing like super heavy and stuff and hot and all that. Just throw it in the oven and let it go. I think I'm gonna record in there. If I do, it'll be just like a little here and there, but I'll show y'all some stuff because I'm really just getting meat. Meat is my main focus. Meat and my string beans and corn, some cinnamon toast, of course my Fabuloso plugins because I need those. And as of now, I think that's it. So I'll see y'all when I get to Sam's Club. Bye.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap.
I know at Sam's Club, they be having what you call them? Samples. That's good. That's like a honey barbecue meatball. That's pretty good. My family don't eat meatballs like that. Or should I say my husband? Where is the Tyson chicken strips? My kids be tearing these chicken strips up and I don't see them. Let me see. I'll be right back. Oh, here they go. Okay, I'll be back, y'all. I have to get another one. It's called a cherry barbecue meatball. And like with the cherry, it kind of tastes like if jelly is in it, but it's not like crazy. It's really good. Like a hint of sweetness. It's good. Look at these meats. So y'all heading out. I wanted to spend $150, but I spent $199. But it's okay, because we needed this stuff. So let me put it up. y'all. This thing is tripping. It keep falling. But yeah, I was saying I spent $199. I only wanted to spend $150. But it is what it is. They gonna be happy they got them little sandwiches, them breakfast sandwiches. I don't know why they like them things so much, but they do. So when I get home, I'm gonna pick this stuff up. See what I'm saying? I'll see y'all when I get home. Bye, y'all.
I wonder if he knows. I should let him know. I should let him know. I be acting all crazy, but he know that he my baby. Don't know if this is love. All I know is I can't get enough. When I say go, I mean stay. But that's okay, cause he know me that way. Insecure, I be going through his phone, and he don't even get mad when I'm wrong. And I never thought I'd find someone who could free my mind. And he be acting a fool, and he ain't know what to do with it. Cause this one he gives me. This dude he gives me. His love is all in me. This dude he gives me. He don't disappoint me. Before I say it, he know it. Before I kiss him, he gives me. Somebody finally gives me. He know I ain't perfect, but he know I'm worth it.
DJ J-Rock, blazing R&B, homie.
I can be so damn mean, yeah. And if he could change all my flaws, he wouldn't change them, cause that's what he loves. And what I lack, he make up for. He's just what I need and more. And I never thought I'd find he came in right on time. And I'm so glad he got me, can't see him without me. That's what he gives me. This dude he gives me. His love is all in me. This dude he gives me. He don't disappoint me. Before I say it, he know it. Before I kiss him, he gives me. Somebody finally gives me. If you got somebody to get it and never give up, say yeah. If you know he love you, he got all your trust. Say yeah. You should let him know, no. You should let him know. You should let him know, no. You should let him know. No. This one he gives me. This dude he gives me. He gives me, yeah. In me. This dude he gives me. He don't disappoint me.
Okay, y'all, I'm done putting up the groceries. I forgot the bread over here. And I need to plug in my wall scents. And I'm going to straighten up my kitchen. Well, actually, Kamaria's, because when I left, she made some food and left my kitchen messed up after I had just cleaned it. And then I'm going to eat me some garlic crabs and sit my butt down. There go my plug-ins. And this is what I'm about to eat. You can get these from Walmart for like $10 and some change. So that's what I'm about to do. So I will see y'all in a minute. Bye. I'm about to eat my crabs and watch some YouTube. Let me show y'all. So they're blue crabs. It's from Walmart. They're called garlic crabs. They're good. Just a little something. Nothing too serious. But they are good. So y'all go to Walmart, check them out. That will be it for tonight, for today. I will see y'all tomorrow. We gotta wash. Basically just washing, taking Kamari to Target, or either hubby's gonna take her, one or the other. I don't know, me or him. I want to do the movies, but I'm not sure yet because they've been acting an ass up in here. So I'm still debating on that. But y'all know I'll let y'all know what's going on. So I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Hey y'all, I'm popping in one more time just to let y'all know that this will be the end of the video. Is one clip after this with me showing you guys the dinner, the kids dinner, because I forgot to show y'all. So I know when I said I'll see y'all tomorrow, I'm actually going to come back and show you guys the dinner. But after that will be the end, and I needed to make an outro, so this will be the outro. But you guys, please stay tuned. Next weekend will be me picking up where I left off. So what I do Sunday, you guys will see in the next video. So just stay tuned. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about Busy Read, and I will see y'all next weekend. Bye. Okay, y'all, know I told you that I'll see y'all tomorrow, but I made the chicken, the blackened chicken pasta with garlic bread. Kamari's is gone. So yeah, this is what I got from Sam's Club. Okay, y'all, now I'm done. Y'all see I got my robe on. I will see y'all tomorrow. For real this time. Bye.